Every student and teacher of clarinet and saxophone is familiar with the nightmare of trying to learn scales and arpeggios. Some even hope that by ignoring them, they can make them go away. The solution is a proper methodical approach to learning them. Learn Your Scales and Arpeggios from planzmusic.com is a step-by-step course of worksheets along with tutorial videos guiding you through every step of the process and providing a clear schedule for practice. There are 48 lessons for clarinet and 44 for saxophone, taking you from the very earliest stages to grade 8 and beyond. You can get them individually or in bundles for each grade. We can't take the hard work out of learning scales, but we can get rid of that dread that contributes so much to exam nerves. Learn Your Scales and Arpeggios for clarinet and for saxophone are available for download from www.planzmusic.com. Join the course now and discover the joy of playing your instrument with real confidence.